Please postpone the date at least for another 1 week. I will bear the loss.
Mr. Haridas, it's not a question of money. It's a question of words. I thought that you were true to your words.
Please try to understand me.
It's a shame. It's impossible. You try to understand me. It's difficult to postpone. Well, I'm really fed up. If you're not ready to come with me, we'll cancel everything. And go to hell. Mr. Sheshadri, let's go. Follow me.
സാറിനെ വിശ്വസിച്ച് ഇനിയൊരു പരിപാടി ഞാനും കേൾക്കില്ല. ഇതോടെ നിർത്തി.
നിൽക്കൂ. ഞാൻ വരാം. Book the ticket.
Great. Thank you, Hari.